Today, let's make orange chicken using true orange. Let's go! Alright, so here are the ingredients. So we have our cornstarch to make the sauce thicken later, and we have our fresh orange juice because it's orange chicken orange. Then we have our spring onions. Some of them, no, most of them will be garnished, or maybe not, I don't know. And then we have ginger, we have our red onion, our garlic, and we have this achiote powder to add some color to make it more beautiful. And of course, our chicken. This is karaage. If you haven't watched my karaage video, please check that out and see how did I make this karaage. And for the procedure, we will fry these first, refry, and then we're gonna saute all these ingredients, add our sauce, thicken and everything, and hopefully it tastes good. Alright, by the way, we need salt and pepper. Alright, let's go. Alright, so tasting time with our orange chicken orange. First, the sauce. Okay. Tastes like escabeche. It's actually like escabeche, but without the tomato sauce and the the fish and escabeche and vinegar. So orange lang talaga. Yes. Escabecheng manok. Anyway, itadakimasu.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.